ओके, वीडियो टेस्ट, लाइटिंग चेंज हुई है थोड़ी सी.
Back then, 11th, 12th boards and then JEE, it was really very hectic. So I expected IIIT Hyderabad academics to be way more unhurried with manageable deadlines. Also, I expected that we would learn efficient coding skills through our assignments, workshops, and various contests, which will enable us to crack GSOC, cool internships, placements in Google, Microsoft, or even launching a startup.
To be very honest, our academic rigor is quite intensive. We are evaluated on a bunch of different tasks, and I think our college is known for its extensive curriculum.
Meanwhile,
The worst part about the load is that every course is going to give you assignments at exactly same time. Sometimes I think profs collaborate to do this.
ठीक है, तो अबाउट IIIT एकेडमिक्स, तो हाँ बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेसफुल होता है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा काम होता है. तो मैं क्या बताऊँ तुमको. पर ठीक है, पहले 2 साल में काफ़ी होता है, उसके बाद थोड़ा चिल हो जाएगा. और सेकेंड ईयर का सेकेंड सेमेस्टर तो बहुत गंदा होएगा. बट ठीक है, जैसे तैसे हो जाता है. सब कॉलेज में मिल बांट के सारा असाइनमेंट से हो ही जाता है. द आर्ट ऑफ डिमोसिंग तो सबको आता ही है, बस हो जाता है सबसे.
सीनियर एट IIIT आर की वो फिट होना चाहिए, उसके पास हर ज़िंदगी का हर सॉल्यूशन के लिए हल होना चाहिए, उसकी खुद की लाइफ सेट होनी चाहिए और उसे दूसरों को मार्गदर्शन कराना आना चाहिए. उसको मार्गदर्शन कराने के साथ साथ मार्ग पे चलना भी आना चाहिए. और उसे थोड़ी सी मतलब अगर कोई डिप्रेस हो रहा है तो उसे थोड़ा हौसला दे, उसको उसके साथ थोड़ा 2 घंटे पढ़ ले, बैठ के पढ़ ले, उसको पढ़ा दे. उसको अगर उसका कोई इनहिबिशन हो रहा है तो उसका इनहिबिशन दूर कराने में हेल्प करे. मतलब आई माई सेल्फ वुड लाइक टू बी अ सीनियर लाइक दैट, बट उसके लिए इतनी हाई एक्सपेक्टेशंस हैं तो मेरे को भी बहुत चीज़ें अपने में इम्प्रूव करनी पड़ेंगी.
When I moved to my second year, I was pretty excited to be a senior. One, because there was a new set of students coming in and I was looking forward to that. And 2, because I wanted to reciprocate the help that my seniors had given me.
I was fine. I was good as a senior. I wasn't into serious ragging or anything, and for that matter, no senior will be into a very serious ragging.
कुछ सीनियर्स थे जो स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा वो करते हैं कि हाँ हम सीनियर हैं, हमें सर कह के बुलाओ. तो स्टार्टिंग में हम भी ऐसे ही थे, पर अब ठीक है, नॉर्मल है. बाकी तो जब कैंपस में आएंगे तब होंगी ज़्यादा इंटरेक्शंस, हेल्दी वाली.
Healthy interaction.
Healthy interactions.
Healthy interaction with juniors.
First year of college is very memorable in anyone's college life, but sadly we missed it. We missed our campus tour, we missed our college trip, and our first offline felicity. It's hard.
Biggest void of my life right now when compared to that of the previous batch is that apart from a handful of people, I don't even know how my batchmates look like or how to conduct myself in front of them. So I'm almost always on guard and I wish I could lower it soon. I really hope so. Online lectures are nice, recordings are a blessing, honestly.
So yes, I think our first years have handled the situation very well. Very proud of them to have, the first year in online semester, the first year wherein you make your friends, you have a nice hostel life. They've missed a lot. But ठीक है, I mean, probably you'll start your first year later, hopefully in August if the college opens.
And you guys missed out on so much which would have happened if we were in campus. Let's hope this gets over and you can get back what you missed out on. It is really appreciable how you guys are handling this COVID situation during online semester.
I personally cannot imagine joining as a first year in an online semester. I've been very fortunate to have experienced everything on campus, freshers, cult night, Felicity, and the 2 years that I've spent there were absolutely beautiful, and I don't think I'd want it any other way. And having said that, the juniors are doing a commendable job at the way they have handled this situation, and I believe it's high time that we all go back and they also get to experience college and the actual campus life.